welcome to Lema Dental Clinic. Today, we're going to be answering a question we hear all the time. Are teeth whitening products harmful? Let's break it down for you. From over-the-counter strips to professional treatments, teeth whitening products are everywhere. Most of them use ingredients like hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide to remove certain surfaces, stains, and brighten your smile. Dosage, frequency, and method matter. Overusing strong gels or using them without professional guidance can cause sensitivity, enamel weakening, or gum irritation. At Lema Clinic, we always recommend an in-clinic whitening session first. It's customized, controlled, and safer. Then, if you like to maintain your smile and the results, we can guide you with trusted at-home products. To sum it up, whitening isn't harmful if it's done right. Avoid cheap or unregulated product, follow expert advice, and don't overdo it. A bright smile is great, but a healthy one is even better. Got more questions about teeth whitening or your dental health? Contact Lema Dental Clinic today. Your safe smile starts here.